Hello everybody, my name is Dexter here, and what we have here is the new updated version to my game. In this updated version, I now have a texture pack editor, which I can open up here. Let's say we want to make a new texture pack, such as dark. These two windows pop up. And here you can modify a tile for the texture pack, any of these. You can modify any of these 12 tiles for any folder really. So let's get started with creating a texture pack. So we have our color set to red. First we can save the tile. Then we open the texture pack folder. And we should see our image, which we have saved right here. So if we wanted to create a one tile, we would have our width sets around here. Our color to about this much. Let's draw a 1. And there we have it, a 1 tile. And now we can save it as 1. And it gets saved over here. So let's make all the other tiles and test it out. Alright, now that we have made the texture pack, we can now test it out. Okay, this is a full tutorial how to make a texture pack using the new texture pack editor, which I have added in my new version. If you liked it, you can try it out yourself on my itch.io page, link in the description. And goodbye everybody, and see you next video.